You want your kids to play Holi, but feel scared of toxic colors that can affect their sensitive skin and may even cause rashes? So don't worry. Today I'm making 4 kids-friendly natural Holi colors using basic ingredients straight from our kitchen. And each color needs only 2 simple ingredients, because festivals should bring smiles, not skin problems. For this beautiful green shade, I'm using fresh spinach. Just blend the spinach into a smooth paste without adding much water. Now I'm mixing this paste with cornstarch. Cornstarch helps absorb the moisture and slowly turns this into a soft, dry powder texture. Spread it on a plate and allow it to air dry completely. Once dried, gently crush it with your hands. And look at this lovely natural green color, completely chemical-free and safe for little hands. Now let's make the most loved Holi color, pink. For this gorgeous shade, I'm using fresh beetroot. Beetroot naturally has a deep rich color, so there's absolutely no need for artificial dyes. First, peel and chop the beetroot into small pieces and blend it into a smooth paste. You can already see that vibrant natural pink coming out. This itself shows how powerful natural ingredients are. Now I'm adding this beetroot juice to cornstarch. Cornstarch helps absorb all the moisture while locking in this beautiful color. As the mixture dries, the strong pink shade slowly turns into a soft pastel pink powder, perfect for kids' delicate skin. And look at this, a naturally fragrant, chemical-free pink color. Now let's prepare a vibrant yellow color, the color of happiness and sunshine. For this, I'm using turmeric powder, which is easily available in every kitchen. Turmeric has been traditionally used for skincare for generations, making it one of the safest natural options for kids. To balance the strong color of turmeric, I'm adding cornstarch. This helps soften the intensity and makes the powder light, smooth, and comfortable on delicate skin. Now I'm adding a little water just to combine everything evenly. Mix it gently until there are no dry lumps, and the color spreads uniformly. The best part is, turmeric also has natural antibacterial properties, so while kids enjoy playing Holi, their skin stays protected too. For the final shade, I'm making a bright orange color. Here I've mixed cornstarch with a few drops of orange food color and a little water. Mix it slowly so the color blends evenly into the cornstarch without forming lumps. And just like that, our 4 natural Holi colors are ready. No harsh chemicals, no strong smell, only safe, festive fun. Now kids can enjoy Holi freely, and parents can celebrate stress-free. This Holi, let colors bring happiness, not worries. If you loved this idea, save this video and share it with every mom who wants a safe Holi for their kids. Happy Holi!